You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'll be making delicious pot of Ogbono soup. I've made Ogbono soup on this channel before. I'll drop the link on my description box so you go check it out, because this method I'm using is quite different from the one done before. So I have my meats, cooking in this pot. I'm going to add the other stuffs like my pomo. I just went in with the pomo. This is my dried washed dry fish, and the kpanla. What's the English name for kpanla? I think it's hake. Yes, hake fish. So I'll add some more water to it so that everything, as in the fish, will cook well. Don't just bother about the taste, because I seasoned the beef so well, so even as I added water, it's not gonna change anything. So I'm using the scotch bonnet. You can use yellow pepper, anyone. I have my ogirope and crayfish, so I'm going to pound everything together. So in this dry pot, I'm adding some red oil. I'm not bleaching. In fact, I'm even going to off I'll uh, I'll off the heat. Yes, because Ogbono is not, as in, you're not supposed to fry Ogbono on high heat, even though he doesn't need it. Just mix the Ogbono properly with the oil first before you can turn on the heat. So I'm adding some salt and onion. See, you can do away with the onion. Me, I like onion. I like onion in my Ogbono soup, so I'm adding some more. So if you don't like onion, skip that part. So I just allow the onion to release that flavor. So I'll go ahead to still turn off the heat. I've turned off the heat now. So I'm adding the Ogbono. This Ogbono, my mother-in-law gave it to me. That woman, she gives me stuff. So she, when she was coming, she brought this Ogbono to me, as in for me. Like, it's big, it's much. Maybe that's why I'm just, see how I'm scooping Ogbono anyhow. I didn't measure, I was just scooping Ogbono. Look at, I added about up to 4 of that spoon. Of course, Ogbono is quite expensive now. Maybe had even I use my money to buy it, I will not be pouring it in like this. Imagine. So I just have to, mix everything together, and adding the crayfish and pepper that I pound. So I just have to add the stuff that I boiled earlier. I'm adding some bouillon cube. Some more salt. This is a fried fish, fried Titus fish. I like, I like using fried fish for my Ogbono, though it's not much. That one is basically for me. So I'll cover for everything to come together. Please, have you subscribed to my channel? If you're watching till this time, that means you like what you're seeing. So why haven't you subscribed? So at this point, I'll just add my ugu. You can use ugu, you can use a bitter leaf. The leaf is supposed to be light, it's not supposed to be thick. soup. Guys, subscribe. Thank you.